Hello, everyone. This is Mahlena Ray Johnson with Four Nerdy Girls with Mahlena Ray Johnson. And today we are talking about Tell a Friend. Mahlena, that's me, explains why you should start where you are with networking. So first, who am I? I, again, am Mahlena Ray Johnson, and I went to Loyola Marymount for film school, the University of Southern California for business school, where I got my MBA in marketing, entertainment, and entrepreneurship. And over the past 10 years, I have done hundreds of informational interviews and coffee chats, and I've attended hundreds of networking mixers and conferences, and I've met thousands of people, which is crazy to think about, but I have, and that is why I'm immensely qualified to help you learn how to make friends in business. All right, so today's topic is Tell a Friend. Tell a friend is something that people often say in their videos, or they put it in their posts on various social media, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Everyone wants you to tell your friends about who they are so that they can expand their network. What I want to do for you today is I do want you to encourage you to tell your friends who may need some help with networking about me and what we're doing here at For Nerdy Girls, but I also want you to tell your friends what you are doing and why. So the place that you want to start with your networking is right here, and then go out. So let's give two scenarios. So one, you do want to start where you are with networking. So you have a bigger network than you think, especially now when there are so many ways to connect with people all over the world. You are closer to the people that you want than you think. I want you to start thinking about the people in your network. And this is an exercise that many career coaches have you do. It's also part of the parachute book. What color is your parachute? That's what it's called. I want you to not just look at who you're connected with on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn and Instagram. I want you to think of the people who are actually connected to you in your lives, IRL. So people you actually know, and tell them that you are interested in growing your network, and tell them why. Maybe you're changing careers. So you don't necessarily need to tell everybody in your network that you're changing careers, but tell some people close to you that you trust who may be able to help you. Tell people that you want to increase your career opportunities and you want to be able to be you want to grow stronger in your existing career. Maybe you want to increase your friends in different places. Maybe you're moving to a new place and you want to start making friends there. Start telling people what you want and why so you can allow them to help you. Also, here's the other side of that. Often, not everybody understands the power of networking and why you're doing it, so you may have to look at some weak ties. So once you've looked at the people in your close network, the opportunities that are going to move you furthest often come from people in the secondary and tertiary parts of your network. And sometimes you don't even know these people yet. So now, instead of looking at who you know, look at who you want to know, or who you know not as well as you'd like to. And you need to start looking at those people that you can connect with. Maybe you've exchanged a few messages on Facebook. Maybe you've tweeted back and forth. Maybe you've liked each other's pictures on Instagram and left comments. Maybe you've seen them on LinkedIn and they posted an article. You've liked that. Let them know about what you're doing and why. So maybe you're trying to increase your clientele in your doll making business. Let them know, hey, I'm trying to increase clientele in my doll making business. Maybe you're not interested in dolls, but I wanted to ask you if you had any advice for me as I continue my doll making business endeavors, and see what happens. So first, look at the people who are right here well, not necessarily around your torso, but the people closest to you, your family and friends and loved ones. Hopefully they're the same people. And then once you've exhausted the people in your immediate network who are like, I don't understand this networking thing, why are you bothering me? And you get the laundry. Then go outside to people who share your interests, share your industry, people that you may not know yet, but you meet at a networking event, and let them know what you're doing. You don't need to like announce it, but you can let them know, hey, how are you? How'd you find this event? I'm doing this. Do you know, what is your advice? You're not looking at clients, you're not looking at people to hire you, you're looking for advice. So I want you to tell a friend, and sometimes this involves making a new friend. So that is what I want you to do this week, amongst the other things I've talked about, and it's March 21st, 2018. So I want you to tell your immediate friends what you're doing and why. I want you to go out and make some new friends and tell them what you're doing and why. And in both cases, ask for advice and start where you are, because you don't want to overwhelm yourself and think, I need to reach out to the prime minister, or I need to reach out to some huge celebrity. What you're doing is just telling people that you know, and people that are second and third relations, and people that you meet as acquaintances, what you are doing. All right, so you have your task. Go tell a friend and go make a friend. Now, if you have any questions or comments and you're on Facebook, please leave a comment below or to the side. Or if you're not on Facebook, or if you are on Facebook and you want to say, hey, Mahlena, I want to email you, then email me at fornerdygirls@gmail.com. Again, that is fornerdygirls@gmail.com. And if you're ready to make a real change in your network because you have goals that you want to achieve, and you think, oh my gosh, Mahlena needs to help me right now, then email me at fornerdygirls@gmail.com for a 30-minute breakthrough session where we help you identify how you can make friends in business. Again, that's fornerdygirls@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.